Hello, I'm Vivian Bach. Welcome. This is an invitation to a Luohan Qi Gong class. So I'm going to show you a few exercises and what are we working as we practice along. The first principle we respect in Luohan Qi Gong is we open the 3 gates that we have located in our back. That is because we're mostly water, and water needs to circulate in order to heal. When we make water circulate, bringing new oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our bodies. So it goes like this. We open up our lower, middle, and upper doors. I close them the same way. I open up my lower door, middle, and upper so that I'm sending blood to all my cells in my extremities. Inhale, exhale, and close them in the same way. That way, I am healing my body and making it circulate. Another principle we respect in Luohan Qi Gong is yin-yang. As part of Chinese medicine, we know that if we get too far from the center, we will get sick. We will feel pain and suffering. The way Chinese medicine teaches us to come back to the center is by using opposites. For example, if I've been thinking too much, then I might have a headache at night. That in Chinese medicine will be compared to excess heat. So normally when you have fire somewhere, you can add water to lower that fire down. So the same we can do with Qigong. Kidneys is the organ in charge of the water movements in Chinese medicine. And the kidney channel travels from my feet to my heel up to the rest of my body. So the exercise in Luohan Qi Gong walkings will be more or less like this. I'll press my heel down intentionally so that I am bringing water up to the rest of my body towards my head. Fresh water that will help me balance the excess heat that is bothering me in my head. As I do that, I also open up the 3 gates, lower, middle, and upper door, so that the water can reach my head. So there are many things happening in every Qigong exercise. The other thing that is going on here is I'm using a mudra. This is pericardium mudra. Pericardium is an organ that is protecting my heart in Chinese medicine. Whenever my head is distressed or worried, I might not be at peace. My heart might not be feeling well either. So by doing this mudra, I'm saying that I'm protecting my body and my heart especially from the excess heat. So I can use different mudras depending on what I want to work. Another thing that is happening here is my breathing. When the fresh water will come up, reaches my head and gets in contact with the fire or the excess heat that is there, it is going to produce steam as a result. Well, I can bring that excess heat in the form of steam out through my breathing, exhaling it through my mouth. I'll go and inhale fresh air, exhale excess heat through my mouth. Inhale through my nose, exhale through my mouth. And that way, I am releasing the freshness, and every time I go down, I will exhale. So there are many things happening in every Luohan Qigong exercise, and it depends on what you want to do or how you want to help your body. You use different mudras, different breathing techniques, or different exercises. I invite you to join me in the next Luohan Qigong workshop and experience for yourself this ancestral technique from Chinese medicine, and experience and feel the healing for your body, mind, and spirit. Thank you.